Hey guys, it's Easter bank holiday. Thankfully I'm not at work and going up with my friend Neil up to the central Brecon Beacons. So we're avoiding the tourist trails today because places like Pen y Fan are going to be sort of crazily busy. So what we decided to do is we go up from A47T, past the Story Arms, which is a Pen y Fan start point, up here, and then catch this A road 4215 or something anyway. Cross here, down blah 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 blah, steep bend in the road, and that's the start point there, just at the foot of Nedd. Now this is in the Forest Fawr area, which is the central Brecon Beacons, and it's the more remote, it's a pretty remote area really. There's nothing really around. And it's like a proper, walker's sort of paradise, really. So no, there won't be any tourists on this route at all. We're going to go up to Nedd, down here to near where this forest is, and then up, fairly decent climb up onto Gyhirych, of which the views are incredible there of the Black Mountain and the Cray Reservoir, which is there, and then the descent route is going to be the same way we came. Never been there before, hoping that it's going to be quiet and avoiding the crowds, and hopefully the views will be good. It'll be a good day. See you when we start. Morning, Easter weekend, and we've come out to a pretty remote area of the Brecon Beacons called don't know, where's this place called? Don't even know.
Devil's Elbow.
Devil's Elbow, is it? Is it?
That there's called Devil's Elbow.
Oh, right. So we've come up really steep fork in the road called Devil's Elbow, which is where we were praying that we didn't meet another car. And we're doing Nedd and Gyhirych, which is up there. Got Neil with me today and his wife Nora. That should be good fun. I'm trialling a new GoPro, see if that is any good. I'll go from there. See you in a bit. It's making our way up Nedd to start with. Look at this. Brilliant view of the Nedd Valley. Incredible. Already looks absolutely stunning. A bit of a hike to do up here, and then hopefully we'll get up onto this ridge. See when we're up there. So we're going well. Bit knackering in this heat. Must be about 21 already. There's no air, no breeze. We knew it was going to be hot, but not this hot. But it is beautiful. Just still walking up this Nedd, the first peak. Nice view of Pen y Fan already. Pen y Fan. If you can see that. Friends are just there behind me, and lovely view of the valley behind. Right, I'll give you a little section when we get up to the top. Check out the views. Hopefully there'll be a bit more breeze up there as well. It's hard work today in this heat. But already got a brilliant feeling of remoteness actually. We passed Pen y Fan on the way up, and there was about 200 people going up the path, parking everywhere, and we just wanted to avoid that today. So this is pretty good because there's no one here at all. It's really beautiful. One of the best places I've been for a while actually, and one of the sort of much more little known ones. Really beautiful. Right, I'll see you in a sec. There you are. That's the Nedd Summit Cairn. Quite an impressive one. Pretty cool. Terrific views. Don't know if the camera makes it out, because I was very kindly bought this gift from my girlfriend, and you know, I didn't need a better camera or anything, but I'm, you know, not very good with technology, new sort of thing, so really just trialing it out. It may come out awful because I've got no knowledge of really the editing or what's meant to look good, but there's meant to be really good cameras, so hopefully it takes in the views of the Black Mountain in the background, Van Gyhirych, and just there Gyhirych, which is the next summit in the walk. Van Nedd. There's a bit of I don't know if you can pick out the car in the distance there. There's a bit of breeze up here now, so it's a lot more pleasurable. There was nothing down in that valley. I've cooled down a tiny bit. Great, okay. We'll see you on the next part. So path goes down here and then into the valley and then up Van Gyhirych. It looks like a very good path up there, so we're going to reassess at that point. See you in a bit. So trial out the selfie stick. Yeah. Don't know where.
Surprised it doesn't go back further than that, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the images are going to come out like there. So we just got to this section.
Yeah.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Apparently it's glacial.
Is it glacial?
Yeah. So I was doing some reading on YouTube, and just there, up from where we parked the
Yeah.
cars, you'll see the other cars parked.
Yeah.
There's a standing stone that apparently was a glacial
Really?
deposit.
Oh, I'll have a
with
look at that.
ancient Neolithic people stood erect as like a...
As ancient as me.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we were just saying how whoever built that wall there on that slope is pretty impressive, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a Roman road somewhere as well.
Yeah, I think it goes through Pennyvan.
Yeah.
It's quite impressive the Romans even bothered to come here.
Yeah.
If I was a Roman, I would
Yeah.
like to be sat with all the women and wine in a villa in Capri rather than in some freezing Welsh hills. Yeah. Anyway, right, a bit more to go. It's quite remote here, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the Van Gyhirych in the background that we're going up to.
Yeah. Sorry?
Yeah, really nice place. One of the best I've been to, actually. In terms of solitude, it's one of the best I've been to, I think, Neil. Completely quiet, isn't it? We've seen what, one person so far?
Yeah.
Beats the 500 on Pennyvan.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's where we've come from, Van Nedd. Pennyvan there in the distance. And we've hit the road, which is quite a road that goes, I think, from like the Cray Reservoir area, and that's where we're headed up there onto Van Gyhirych. See you in a sec. Look at this, amazing. Look at this view. One of the best I've seen here, without a doubt. Incredible. Pretty knackered now. Need to get training, eh? But well worth it. Oh, well done guys, we made it. At last. Knackering really. Great view of Van Gyhirych. people up here. Beautiful. Just on the way down now. Great view back up Fan Nedd and Nedd Valley. It's really pretty. So to avoid going back up Fan Nedd, which we didn't feel like doing given it's pretty steep and we've done a fair bit already, we're going to take, there's a path that hugs this wall on the left, we're going to take that one. So hopefully that will lead us back to the car. See you in a bit. One of the most beautiful valleys I've seen. Gorgeous. Just on this tight wall path. That's all the slopes of Fan Nedd up there. Getting there slowly. So we're back at the car at last. Neil's bought me a present, which is a community DNR, do not resuscitate form. And is that for me? Yeah, I think I needed it after that walk. So it looks like there's no hope for me. Anyway, all done, and we'll catch you next time. That was really well recommended.